Nestled amidst 50 acres of rolling vineyards, this extraordinary house reimagines the classic Australian farmhouse for a contemporary lifestyle. Designed around a central courtyard, the house offers a sense of refuge from the expansive landscape. Thick walls and deep eaves provide shelter from the coastal winds, while the dark ceiling adds to the feeling of intimacy. While the house is spacious, it's designed to adapt to changing needs. When the children and their families visit, the house expands to accommodate everyone. But when it's just the couple, they can enjoy a cozy, one-bedroom retreat. The design respects the existing landscape. The old driveway has been transformed into a welcoming entry sequence, while the windbreak creates a natural border for a second, more secluded courtyard. These unique walls aren't just for structure. They're living elements that frame breathtaking views and guide circulation throughout the property. Some even wrap around to create private courtyards with enchanting green outlooks. The house embraces sustainability. Rainwater is captured for domestic use, and these repurposed water tanks become beautiful elements scattered throughout the gardens. This house is more than just a structure. It's a haven for connection, nature, and the joy of family. It's a true refuge in the vineyard, offering a unique perspective on the Australian farmhouse tradition.